Look at the view. Wow. Hi guys, it's me again, Erica Z, and welcome to my vlog. Today it's March 7, Friday, weekend na! So, ang content ng vlog natin ngayon ay it's all about iftar! Makiki-iftar tayo mamayang past 6 p.m. Yeah, update ko kayo later on pag nandun na tayo sa place kung saan tayo ay makiki-iftar. Nag-start siya ng March 1 dito sa UAE, I think March 1 na mag-Ramadan. So, ang ginagawa ng mga local people dito, they are doing prayer, fasting, nagme-meditate sila, nag-start silang mag-skip ng kanilang meal at mag-pray ng madaling araw. So, pag nag-break sila ng fast nila, tinatawag nila yun na iftar. So, later, mag-iftar tayo, makikiselebrate tayo sa iftar ng isang friend natin this year. Parang ito yung first time na makaka-experience ako ng iftar. So, samahan nyo kami later sa pagpunta namin sa iftar party ng isa naming friend. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga food na for sure na ma-enjoy natin. Siyempre, work muna tayo today, guys. After work, doon na tayo dediretso. Yun yung i-vlog natin for today's video. So, date ko kayo, guys. Mamayang after work, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga food na makakain natin dun sa iftar party. So, stay tuned! Hi guys! Okay, so update lang tayo. After work, yan. Inantay ako ni Manchi tsaka ni Oyen sa baba ng building. Tapos nag-book na sila ng taxi. Tapos ngayon, nandito na kami sa taxi! Ayan. So, papunta na tayo dun sa resto. Cuties ang pangalan nung restaurant. So, sa Dubai Creek Resort siya located. So, on the way na tayo ngayon dun, guys. I-update ko kayo. I-update namin kayo sa mga foods na kakainin namin. And, yun. Samahan nyo kami mag-enjoy. See you! Look at the view! Wow! Okay, so guys, meron na kaming food. So far, ito yung nakuha ko. Shrimp.
Thank you.
Shish tawuk. And I don't know what you call the others. Yan. Si Machi! And si Oyen! And the view over there. Wow! So guys, lalapang na muna kami. Let's eat. So how was the food?
The food was great and it's very complete. There's protein, there's veggies, there's carbs, there's desserts.
This is your first iftar this 2025.
Yes.
How's the experience? The place, the people?
So far, it's very satisfying.
How about you? How was the food?
Very nice.
Nantok na.
I'm very full.
Very full? This is also your first iftar this year. Yes! Oh, ikaw naman. How was the food?
Eh, gusto rin ng ring light.
Not yet done.
Yummy.
Not yet done.
Kasi she's
She's
still eating
still
pa.
devouring.
Yeah. Yeah. First iftar also or nakapag-ano ka na? First iftar. Okay. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to iftar 2025. Thank you so much. So, hindi pa kami tapos. There you go. Enjoy pa din kami sa foodang. So, konting kwentuhan and then konting food ulit. Tapos, yan, medyo relax muna, kalma muna. So, yun guys. Chill muna tayo.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, yun na nga. Tapos na kami. So, nag-aabang na kami ng taxi. So, waiting kami ng taxi dito sa labas ng restaurant. Waiting din namin si Kay at saka si Nick. Update namin kayo. Thank you so much sa iftar na napakasarap. Sobrang blessed ng company nyo. Enjoy ka ba sa iftar nyo?
Salamat sa
Nag-enjoy ka sa iftar nyo? Kami din. Uwi, anak! Update namin kayo. Bye! Okay, so guys, pauwi na kami sa bahay. Uwi kami ng busog. It was sumptuous, delicious, and fun night na makapag-iftar. Mostly sa amin, first time to ngayong taon na mag-iftar. And yun lang, update namin kayo pag bahay na kami. Heading home! Hi na! Okay, so guys, bahay na nga kami. It was a fun night spending with friends that became your family. Okay, so yun lang yung vlog natin for tonight. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang vlog. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye!